Out here looking at this old farm. Look at this fancy little thing. You know what this is? Motor, a bunch of pulleys. Definitely home brew the jacks to raise and lower the height of the carriage. I bet it's the top tobacco plants. When you have them in the rows, you run this down the rows and you top them. Our tobacco guys, when we did tobacco, always used like a weed eater. But I bet this is a tow behind. But almost bet dollars to donuts on it. Yeah. Okay, I noticed the front wheels were turned sideways. That's what it is. The transport wheels lift up, and it's made to go long ways. The width goes down the bed as you're cutting. That's slick, whoever designed that. I just thought it was kind of neat. This old equipment, you're not going to see much more of it anymore. Just wanted to do a quick share on it. Kind of a cool piece of Americana right there, or at least in my part of the world.